I'm Chase Garbarino.
And I'm Greg Gomer, and this is the Bostinno Beat. Special thanks to SVB for picking up our dinner at Del Frisco's last night.
Hasn't happened yet.
It got crazy last night.
Again, hasn't happened yet.
Well, obviously we're having some problem, and it sometimes happens with live television.
Let's talk about RoboCop.
Oh, hell no.
We'll do it live!
The big one this week, the BBJ took a serious takedown on Scott Kirsner's role at the Boston Globe. The managing editor, Craig Douglas, questioned the ethics of the Boston Globe for employing Scott Kirsner based on some of his other business interests. And while I love a good takedown, I think Scotty wins this one.
Yeah, I like a good takedown. I like a good media tiff, but got to side with Scotty on this one. There are many things you can criticize about Scott, but there are three things you cannot. He doesn't pull punches. His events business, I think, is very legit. I think it's a legit journalistic product.
Yep.
And the wardrobe and the workout are clearly working for him.
He's a stud.
I think the only other thing I've got a little bit of an issue with is Brian McGrory, editor of the Boston Globe, said that everybody knows that Scott's a freelancer and not an actual employee of the Globe. Totally disagree with you on that one, my friend.
Unwarranted takedown. Go, Scotty. Big things from Dailybreak. Dailybreak is rumored to be about a month out from Profitability. Huge milestone for the company. They've been around for a while, changed the model a few different times. Rumor has them at about $6 million in revenue a year, and approaching profitability is huge for them.
Yeah, a lot of good news. Some companies in the area, bigger companies, might be sniffing around for potential acquisition at some point. Boris and crew have run the company for a while. They got a new CEO in the last year or two, and they're hustlers. So not surprising to hear all the good news coming out of Dailybreak.
Well done.
April Fools, a lot of April Fools jokes.
Great week.
Hate them all.
Awesome.
I don't like the corporate April Fools jokes.
It's fantastic.
I spent all day Tuesday listening to Gomer giggle at his desk, so
Jokes.
I guess he liked some of them.
Yeah, they were good.
What ones amused you?
Yeah, so locally, Insight Squared ran out of software. I don't know how that happens, but it was funny. Runkeeper is localizing language, which was good, adding Boston accents to everything. Kayak bathroom comparisons.
That should be a real product.
That should be a real product.
It's not funny.
But the best one we had was Con and Southie reported that a Hooters was coming to Southie, and people bought it.
They're supposed to have good wings, also not funny.
I liked it.
I'm really happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish.
And this week in unwanted feedback, per usual, lots of it.
It was okay, though. It was nice.
I'm not into it. We wrote earlier about PitchBook's Q1 VC data. Lots of good news, a lot of money raised by funds. Pre-monies on A rounds have gone up a significant amount. And we said that, with the bull market and the public markets potentially coming to an end, if I were an entrepreneur, I would raise money now while the going is good, because if that bull market ends, could reverberate down into the private markets. And you guys all liked that.
Yeah, it was funny. I mean, we had like a dozen or so people, startup CEOs and venture guys, all say that we really nailed the reporting, which, why is that surprising?
Obviously.
I think it's funny that you even emailed us to tell us
Why
we
would
nailed
you
it.
email us that?
We were expecting you to disagree with us, but
Of course we would.
once again knocked it out of the park.
Why do you think we do this?
Hard hit into right. Back at the wall. The grand slam.
We got one more bit of news.
The Biebs is back. Justin Bieber's back in the spotlight. So reportedly he's getting off of his DUI charges. Justice is being served. The kid can party. He's all done.
Oof, I don't know about that. All right, that's enough for us this week. We'll see you next week.
Thanks for coming out.
I mean, it's a business audience. It's not like we're on Nickelodeon.